So let's see how to make these type of flowers. So for this, I'm using 4-ply yarn of 2 colors and 2 mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in the first stitch. Now single crochet into the space 8 times. Before that, just make one single chain and then make single crochet into the space 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So makes 8 single crochets in the space and then slip stitch over the first stitch. And then chain 1, and then into these stitches make 2 single crochets in each of these stitches. One, 2, 3. Into the same space you have to make a second single crochet. 4, 15, 16. So you have 16 stitches in total. And then slip stitch over the top of the first stitch. So you have this circle here. Now you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make treble crochets. 1, yarn over twice, put it in the same space, and then pull a yarn, and then pull over 2 loops, pull over 2 loops, and pull over 2 loops. Yarn over twice, put it in the same space, and then pull over, and pull over. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then into the same space, make a slip stitch. Now into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Slip stitch into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4. Triple crochet into the space, same stitch. Triple crochet twice. So 2 times triple crochet. Then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then slip stitch into the same stitch. single crochet into the next stitch and then slip stitch into the next stitch. So like this you will have petals. Now this flower is done. Now we have to make petals at the back of the flower. So now I'm going to change the color. Make a slip knot. Now in the next to this knot which you have already placed, in the next single crochet space, just make this slip knot. Just now chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now turn and knot this. Cut. And then into the next chain space, double crochet. Chain 4. 1 2 3 4. And then into the next single crochet space, double crochet. So you will have chains like this at the back. Chain 4 2 3 4. Slip stitch into the 4th chain. Now you see there will be a chain of stitches formed at the back like this. Now double crochet into the space. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 slip stitch on top of the chain post. Like this, you will have petals at the back now. After doing the final petal, slip stitch, cut the yarn and place a knot. Now with the help of a needle, weave in the end. Now the double layered flower is ready. Hope you will try it too.